The ID number of this stone is 000182. This stone is natural AJ, Jedi Jade from Burma. This stone is under the daylight now, under the natural light. This is yellow light. This is UV light. This is LED light. Stone has no crystalline, but some small inclusions inside the stone. $15.95 carat. 15.95 carat. Diamond status. Diamond status. $20.4 millimeter in length. 20.4 millimeter in length. $16.0 or 16 millimeter in width. 16 millimeter in width. $5.8 millimeter in thickness. 5.8 millimeter in thickness. This stone was cut by myself, so I can guarantee for this stone. This stone is a real natural AJ, a real natural Jedi Jade from Burma. You can check this stone with your own gemologist in your country. If my stone is not a real natural AJ, not a real Jedi Jade from Burma, you can ask your money back. If you're interested to buy my stone, please send me an email for more information. Thank you so much for your watching. Have a good luck.